Welcome to Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. This is a good example of a 1941 Plymouth Deluxe sedan. Chrome bumpers with the nice red stripes, very presentable. Headlight bezel. Here, Mario, show me this real quick. They're so beautiful with the parking, the grille, the emblem in the front, the ornament, very nice. All the stainless. Original hubcaps, Plymouth. The red rims. You know, it's not perfect, but it's very presentable. It does have a couple of right here. Used to be touched up a little bit. Fender skirts are very nice. Tires, glass, stainless. Rear bumper with the bumper guard. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. And the nice ornament. Back glass, no issues on the rubbers, the glass. Very nice. Here it's missing the rubber, but here, this is the best part. You open the doors, beautiful suicide doors. The dash, gorgeous. Door panels. The heater works. Headliner. It's got a little stain in the back, but you know, overall, this is a very nice car. Notice the visor. Makes it that really unique look with the visor. Nice little 6-cylinder with the manual transmission. Nice white walls, suicide doors, just beautiful look, very easy to get in and out. It has a little tear right there. Here again, very nice. Stain in the headliners in the back. Steering wheels, no cracks. Notice, it shows 68,000 miles. You know, it could be. Could be. Horn works. Trunk, spare, very nice. Yeah, I want to also, yeah, with the hubcaps. So when if you do ever get a flat, it still looks the same. The rear reverse light. Here, I just love this. Original place. This is the best part. Turn the key, hit it. This engine is so quiet you can't even hear it run right now. It's running. It's incredible. But see ya.